So this is Ashibinaa Outlet Mall in Okinawa. Sorry for the wind. I wanted to give you guys a tour of this place. It has a lot of name brands and stuff here. And just wanted to check it out here. We're at the entrance now. So this is the main outlet mall in Okinawa, and it's actually located in Tomigusuku, just below Naha. And actually today is Halloween here in Okinawa. So it was really cool to get to see their decorations today before they took them all down. Kit just bought a sweet potato. Look at her in her cool Ryukyu hat.
This is what a real brand looks like.
Yeah.
And then we would buy some. And she would buy some for me, and I would eat yakimo. That was our ice cream truck. Was sweet potatoes on hot rocks. They're really good, Joe.
Should I try some?
Well, I like it.
So we just went into Billabong, and actually part of the reason we're here today is to get ideas for our brand Ryukyu. And it was awesome that we went into Billabong and Quicksilver and all these guys, because they're actually incorporating their brand into Okinawa type designs, kind of. Some of the designs are really just generic ocean things and they say Okinawa, but we're getting some ideas of some brand designs. So this has been actually really educational so far. So I think we're about done at this outlet mall. Really cool though, has a lot of cool stores. You guys should definitely come check it out. Pretty much every brand you could think of. But I think we're gonna head to a real mall that's down here that we really like, as well as a bookstore that's across the street that looks just as big as Barnes & Noble or something like that. I forgot what it's called, but we're gonna go check it out. So that was it for today's vlog. I don't know how this is gonna turn out, but we didn't end up going to the bookstore and just ended up going home because it's about an hour and a half drive from where we are, the outlet malls. Thank you so much guys for watching, and as always, subscribe and see you in the next video.